Transferring your Assurance wireless service to a new phone involves a SIM swap. This process allows you to keep your phone number, account details, and benefits. For physical SIM cards, you might need a new SIM kit mailed to you. Different phone models require different SIM card sizes, from standard to nano. Newer phones can use eSIMs, activated via QR code or the app, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. You can initiate the transfer online via the Assurance Wireless app or by calling 1-888-898-4888. Make sure the new phone is compatible with Verizon's network and unlocked if it was used on a different carrier. The process is free for Lifeline users. The transfer can take 1 to 2 hours to complete, with real-time status updates available. Occasionally, network maintenance may cause outages. Follow these steps to transfer your Assurance wireless service to a new phone. First, log in to the Assurance Wireless website or app. Next, choose Transfer Service and select SIM Swap. Verify your identity using SSN or account PIN and confirm the new phone's IMEI. Follow the on-screen steps to deactivate the old SIM and activate the new one. Finally, test your connection by making calls, sending texts, and using data. To combat fraud, Assurance Wireless uses multi-factor authentication and locks the old SIM after transfer. Keep in mind that international transfers are not supported, and your service will be paused during the swap. User surveys report an 85% success rate via the app if you encounter issues. Your transfer is now complete. Enjoy your Assurance Wireless service.